This project is called Resilience of the Richest Reefs, and we'll be doing research in a region called Bird's Head Seascape. Now this is in West Papua in Indonesia and is home to the richest biodiversity in the world. During our meeting in March in Wageningen, we were trying to figure out, first of all, how our different disciplines are connected. It was basically 5 days of just all these ideas and thoughts being projected to each other and written down on chalkboards. And then as we were going, we were able to bring things together, and now we just have a plan for our next trip. So in October, a multidisciplinary team of scientists, conservationists, and educators from Indonesia, as well as the Netherlands, will be embarking on a grand expedition in West Papua. On this floating university, we will address 4 themes: resilient ecosystems, conservation tourism, resilient education, and sustainable bioprospecting. You know, everything that's happening above water is affecting everything that's happening down below. And so what we're trying to do is really, by joining this team of people who look below water at all the different systems, as well as above water at the economics, at the sociology, trying to really connect that all to really understand what influences what. Our aim is basically, how can we make certain that the reefs, as well as the local communities that depend on the reefs, thrive in a situation with increasing development and tourism. Every day we'll have a different discipline. Every day we'll look at the whole reef and sociological system from a different discipline, and then everyone needs to join in. So the economists will be counting fish, and the ecologists will be, joining in the interviews. And the reason we want to do this is to really make certain that we really understand, how does an economist collect her data, and how does an ecologist, quantify his data or bring it all together? Because I think if you really spend a day actually doing the science together, you get a better sense of how your different disciplines and results can be combined. The importance of this research is, on the one hand, very specifically for this region, it houses the world's highest marine biodiversity, and it's one of the few areas with pristine reefs. So what we want to do is, we want to make certain that these reefs survive, and we also can learn from these reefs that are doing well to figure out how we can save other reefs that are not doing so well.